Okay, well I got my arid Siren faced up now because it's gonna be going under this, like I told you. It's gonna be running off 3 volts again. So yes, here we go. Just give me a second. Okay, test number 1. Here we go without the shroud. Here's with the shroud. Yeah, there it is. My new Model 2. I'll take this off. This isn't sealed on yet. It's still gonna fall off if I probably take it off. And yeah, there it is. See you later. My next project. Bye.